Hello, my friends from YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the thermal paste inside between the fan and the CPU. Okay. Before you do this, I recommend to wear one of these anti-static. This is a bracelet. You can buy it on eBay online. And what it does is remove the static from your body, the electricity. Just remove it. So, and everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. This video is for education purpose only. Okay, so thank you, and we're gonna remove these screws to open the box. I already lost them, so that's why it's so easy. Okay, so now let's pull this one. So in order to do that, we need to remove this fan. Okay, it's right here. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 screws we need to remove. Okay. Be careful if your kids are around, because they can grab the small parts or screws and play with it, put it in their mouth, something. Be careful. I always work when I am alone. We need to replace the thermal paste maybe every year, because what happens is when get dry, the paste get dry, the computer becomes slow. Sometimes doesn't work anymore, or frozen. And it's because overheat. Okay, and remember that disconnect this cable right here. You see this cable? You just pull it, that's it, and then you slowly remove it, because this is what happened to me one time. The fan and the sink come all together with the CPU, and I bend the pins, so I damage the whole computer. So be careful. And we're gonna use alcohol. Okay, grab a rag and clean with alcohol both parts. Okay, here, here, here. Okay. Don't use paper. Don't use paper. Use a rag. Make sure it's wet with alcohol and clean the CPU. You don't have to remove the CPU. Some people remove it, but if you don't know what you're doing, then you can bend the pins, and then the computer won't start. Basically, you damage the whole computer. So that's why I don't remove it. Just, you see, it's clean now. And then I'm gonna clean this part. It doesn't have nothing. It's always dry. So just make sure all the dry come out, the dry paste. Okay, so you see there is nothing anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna use this paste. This paste you can buy it on eBay or any computer store. It's a big tube. So make sure you put it in the center, not too much, okay? That's enough, because when you put the zinc on the top, it will expand all over the CPU, so don't put too much. Okay, you see it's a little bit, just look like this is a screwdriver, so look the size, little bit. Now we're gonna put this back. Remember to put it the same way, this way, because the cable goes here, it's connected here, so like this. Okay, so let me check. Sometimes it's kind of tricky to put the first screw. You have to press it. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, that's the second one, but don't tie it all the way yet. So go a little bit, then the other one a little bit. Because what happens if you tie one screw all the way, then it's not gonna be even. So we just go a little bit each. If you are not sure you can do this, better take it to an expert so you don't damage your computer. And if you like my video, please subscribe. If you have a channel, I will do the same. That's the only way you can help me, subscribing to my channel. You keep going until you see that doesn't go. Don't over tie it too much also, because you could break something. Okay, almost. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, so you see, that's okay. And now we're gonna connect back this cable. Okay, the motherboard has 4 connectors over there, but I only need 3 for the fan, so make sure this one match the other connector. Okay, so you see it's now connected. So that's the way you replace the thermal paste. And make sure after you open a case, make sure the cables are connected, because when we open and move things inside the computer, then sometimes it doesn't turn on because the cable are loose or something. Okay, I don't have the power cable here because I'm not using this one. So okay, so now you put the case back, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it helped you, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. Be safe. Stay home if you have to.